Looking for the best pet stairs? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 pet stairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Millipets products, folding portable dog steps. High weight limit. Steps have non-slip tread for security. Versatile use cases, from boarding an RV to climbing into a tall bed. Humans can use it as a stepladder as well. A multi-purpose stepladder that allows dogs to get into the back of the car easily. Steps look like they are made of metal, but they are actually made of sturdy plastic. At number 2. Petmaker, folding plastic pet stairs. The 4 steps are lined with rubber to ensure that your pet's paws aren't slipping. The side rails make it harder for your pet to fall off the sides. The foldable design makes it easy to store during the day when you are away. A solid pick for the safety features that are offered. The thinner design makes it less suitable for bigger dogs. At number 1. PetSafe, CozyUp folding dog and cat stairs. These steps are lightweight at only 5 pounds, but they support pets up to 150 pounds. Steps are covered with non-skid fabric for a sturdy tread. Can be folded down and stashed away when not in use. A great set of plastic stairs that are durable and easy to set up. Although most buyers love these steps, a few have said it wasn't a good fit for their particular dog. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.